Hi, I'm Daniel, and today we're going to cover the basics of refinancing your mortgage. Refinancing is the act of replacing your existing loan with a new one. When you refinance, you get a new loan with a new interest rate and usually a new term. This process comes in handy if you're hoping to lower your interest rate, get some extra cash, eliminate private mortgage insurance, or just to cut down on your remaining number of mortgage payments. So when should you consider refinancing? While there are no hard and fast rules, there are best case scenarios. If your home has increased in value, refinancing can allow you to get extra cash for repairs or additions. You might also benefit from lower payments if your credit score has improved since your first initial loan. If your interest rate has lowered, you can refinance to take advantage of the perks that come with the lower rate. And a refinance can help you switch to a different loan type or help you transition from adjustable rate to a fixed rate. No matter the circumstance, refinancing can provide a major return for homeowners, and it's worth exploring your options. If you're ready to see if it's the right time to refinance your mortgage, contact us or start your application online at ovmfinancial.com/quickstart.